Just what we needed and arrived in great shape. Good product for the price. The plastic arms connected easily to each other. Very easy to install. The only thing I might suggest is using thicker double stick tape. Otherwise I am happy with my purchase. I am an HVAC service tech. I installed a 2-head mini split heat pump in a customer's home. They asked for an air deflector for the wall unit in the master bedroom. I chose this deflector. Ridiculously easy to construct and hang. I added 2 small strips of Gorilla brand, 2-sided clear tape on either side of the mounting brackets as insurance. 10 minutes from start to finish. I would buy again. This product works surprisingly well. I was pretty skeptical when arrived. The box was all bitten up and at first doesn't look high-end, but after installing it I was happy to see that shield hasn't moved a bit from its original position and we've used for a month now. Worked perfectly. Needed to be adapted for a floor AC model. Installed last week. Does exactly what it's designed to do. Redirect airflow away from seated areas. Not too hard to install. Instructions provided don't help much. I added an extra piece of double stick tape to each side. Seems to make it more secure. Click link in description for more reviews.